Matanya mana? Introduction to the vlog. As you saw yesterday, we had a fun family day. It was the Good Friday, yeah, I think it was Good Friday. So we had everyone, all my siblings coming to my parents' house, and we had a fantastic time. I told my husband last night, I could swim in that spaghetti, and I just had like 2 big servings of that spaghetti, so I had to force myself to move. So days like yesterday are my favorites because I get to spend time with my family, I get to see my siblings, and just lots of laughter and lots of love. So absolutely love things like that. Right now I'm just waiting for Mika to wake up, and I have some time, so I'm gonna vlog. I have an unboxing that I've been postponing for the longest time. I'm gonna try to fit in this haul. This is probably my 10th attempt at doing a vlog, so I'm going to try to keep things simple, not talk too much, just so that I don't have to edit things too much. But I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. This is my look of the day. I love this eyeshadow. I mean, literally it changes. I thought my eyes were deceiving me in the mirror, but it actually does change shades. Excuse the mess, but this is the outfit of the day. Skinny jeans, and a belt. I don't know why I had to show you the belt. And then I've got this awesome top here. That's how it's looking like. It's really it's very psychedelic. And guess how much I got this for? I got this for, I think I got it for like $4 or $5. It's from this random shop in NUH, which I stopped by when I was there for my appointment last week, and it's just so roomy and so freakishly comfortable. For my watch, this is my Michael Kors watch, which sometimes I can fit it, sometimes I can't. So I thought I wasn't able to fit it for a while, but now maybe today is a different type of day. And then my arm candy today is my Hermes bracelet, which I just unboxed today. Gorgeous. And then my VCA Alhambra. I love this combo because I don't have to worry about anything getting scratched. This is my crossbody for the day. My MCM, my MCM Patricia bag, which is super comfortable. Oh my gosh, I look like such a mom. Seriously. But yeah, I love this bag. This is one of the 2 crossbody bags that I have. I have been eyeing one more, which is quite unattainable, but let's see. Oh, I'm sweating. By the way, I just did my hair last Friday, finally, after 6 months. Let me stand in front of the aircon. I did my hair finally after 6 months of not going to the salon, and it feels great. I did like the keratin treatment, so it's very neat, but I need to find like some nice hair clips to pin my hair back today. This foundation which I'm wearing today, which is the new one by Beauty Blender, is the Bounce foundation. I think it looks nice, but I have a feeling that it's gonna make my face look very greasy because it feels very greasy at the moment, and I just blotted my face. So okay guys, quick update on this foundation. I think it looks good, but I think since the time I put it on, I have blotted my face, I think about 10-20 times. No, it's called the Polywogs. It's indoors, where? It's indoors. So my face feels very sticky, incredibly sticky. I don't know whether it's because of the weather, but it's been pretty hot. I think within the next few minutes it'll get oily again, so not my... I don't know. I wanted this foundation to work, you guys. I've been wanting to change my specs, and we bumped into this. It looks so freaking cool. I love it. So funny. Hey guys, I just got back. Definitely an epic shopping experience. I'll show you guys. You probably can see what we got, but yes, I got my very first Rolex, and I'm very happy about it. I was actually contemplating between the Hublot and the Rolex. when I wear my Chanel bags, for example, it feels very different to when I wear my other brands, which are very good, but they are just not Chanel. And I just feel like I should just, yeah, just go with the investment, which is a little bit difficult because usually those stuff is, you know, it's going to cost a lot more, and it's just so easy to buy the smaller items first. It's a beautiful piece. I'm very excited, but I can't wear it yet because they have to order in like a strap that fits me and customize that for me. So it's in the box. I'll probably do an unboxing soon. So this is my outfit. I call it linen goodness. It's my linen collection by Marks & Spencer. I absolutely love this collection. So this top, I got in so many different colors, but it's one of my favorite tops because it's just so comfortable to wear and it looks very presentable. And then I've got my linen pants here, which is just normal. From afar it looks very formal actually. I have my Breitling watch here with me, and today I reversed the Hermes bracelet and I really like it. I mean, because I'm wearing kind of white and black, it really makes it pop, and I'm surprisingly finding this very comfortable. And I know it's made for men's, but I don't care. It's really pretty.
Papa?
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 Yeah.
Papa?
Show Mom how you eat the cheese. How the cheese? Yay! Wow, got dance, dance. Wow. Wow. I wanted to show you what I got from Chomel. I went to Chomel earlier. Accessories for every woman, costume, jewelry, and a good of like hair accessories. So I wanted to, now that I have proper hair and it looks decent, I thought I should get some clips or accessories to just kind of, you know, make it look a lot neater. It is really gorgeous. It's like an, I don't know, purple marbled type of thing. Smaller one with just black rhinestones. One which comes in a pair, also in the same design. And this one, it's interesting. It's like a wavy clip. So I'm thinking of doing it something like that. Bling here. This was $26. This is just a blingy one which I want to use like somewhere up here. And I was looking at some brooches because I wanted to get one for my mom for Hari Raya, which is coming up. And then I saw this and she's like, yeah, that's freshwater pearls. And I'm like, wait, you mean it's actual real pearls? So I didn't know that they sold real pearls in Chomel, but apparently they do. So I thought this was really pretty, and it would go with whatever that she's wearing. So that's very nice. And I got this for my helper because I just thought it's really gorgeous. Look at how it glistens. It was $39 and I think it looks amazing. Because she said that it was, you know, actual pearls, she gave me a jewelry cloth as well. I was then looking at the necklaces and I was like, oh okay, some of the necklaces were actually really nice. They were very Chanel-esque. So, but I wanted something simple and something I just wanted to drape myself with. I got a pearl necklace. It's my very first actual pearl necklace. I don't think I would ever invest in like a very super expensive piece because I'm not a pearls person. In fact, my husband was very surprised that I got this, but for the price of it, because it's from Chomel, even though it's like freshwater pearls, it wasn't like super expensive. So this was about $300-ish. Are you guys ready? Let me show you. Ta-da! That's the pearl necklace. It's just a long strand of pearls, but I picked this particular design because I'm able to layer it so many times. So the pearls feel very cold and they just feel really nice. They're not like perfect pearls, so they have like there's something wrong with each of not something wrong, but there's like a tiny, you know, you can't see it from afar, but can you see that it's not a perfect pearl? It has like a little bit of like, you know, a scar almost to each of them, but it doesn't really matter because no one's gonna look at it really closely, and I just like the look of it. I didn't want to pay anything for anything that's not real, but I didn't mind paying it because it was freshwater pearls all the way here, so it's very long, so you can like kind of do this, which was how it was when I tried it in the store, and you can do it 3 times as well, which is what I like. I think it looks really pretty like this. So yeah, not very me, but I thought, you know, why not? You only live once. Let's get a set of pearls while you're at it. My other haul is in here. I got a guy to gift wrap it for us. But I don't know, my husband wants me to do an unboxing of it today, but I mean, you can't do an unboxing of a watch of that magnitude when you look like this.